Stop by and take a look at the 2023 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, cloth seat trim, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.